1 2/5 subtract a half. A half is bigger than 2/5. So we have to exchange from the whole number. Also, best to make your denominator 10. So 1 is 10/10, 2/5 is 4/10, and a half is 5/10. So we have 14/10, take away 5/10, which is 9/10. Check with the decimal. 1 2/5 is 1.4. A half is 0.5. 1.4 take away 0.5 is 0.9, which is the decimal for 9/10. 1 1/5 subtract 3/4. 3/4 is bigger than 1/5, so we have to exchange from the whole number. Also, best to make your denominator 20ths. So 1 is 20/20, and 1/5 is 4/20. 3/4 is 15/20. So we have 24/20, subtract 15/20, which is 9/20. Check with a decimal. The decimal for 1 1/5 is 1.2. 3/4 is 0.75. 1.2 subtract 0.75 is 0.45, which is the decimal for 9/20. 1 3/10 subtract 3/4. 3/4 is bigger than 3/10, so we have to exchange from the whole number. Also, best to make it 20ths or 40ths. 20ths would do. 1 is 20/20. 3/10 is 6/20. 3/4 is 15/20. So now we have 26/20, subtract 15/20, which makes 11/20, just over half. Check with the decimal. 1.3, 0.75. 1.3 subtract 0.75 is 0.55, which is just over half, the decimal for 11/20. 2 4/7 subtract 3/4. 3/4 is bigger than 4/7, so we need to exchange from the whole number. Also, we're best to make our denominator 28. So this 2 now becomes a 1 with 28/28, and 4/7 is 16/28. 3/4 is 21/28. We now have 1 and 44/28, subtract 21/28, which is 1 and 23/28.